All right, y'all, we finna start the boat. Come on, we'll show y'all how to turn everything on. On our way back to the United States. Got a little scattered showers. See, that was another gray and orange boat. Hey, gray and orange hidden. That's a nice paint job on that one. That's a nice paint job. Let's help them on. What's your Jerry Russell?
I made it.
All right, so here's what happens. Man, goddamn. All right, go on now. All right, go on now. We already taking, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yeah, we good. All right. Love you, brother. Text me next week. All right, love you. Go on now. That's one of them people you love him, but go on. He nice, but he aggressive. All right. Go on now. Come on. So what you do right here? So the generator's running, so I'm about to start the engine. So this is starboard engine. That's on the right. Port engine on the left. So you got, there's your RPMs. So you got both engines running, your RPMs, 600. So we got a little less than half a tank of gas. So that's enough gas to make it to Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach, and we're cruising at 25 knots, okay? So look, let me show you right here. So right here is your power panel. So right here, make sure your blowers are on, generator on, boom, right? So right here, already switched it over from power to generator running, both engines on. We ready to go. So my friend's gonna come down here, they're gonna get all this stuff organized. The cable is resetting. So they're gonna organize all of this stuff so stuff won't be everywhere just in case we get some ocean or whatever. So they're gonna work all this out, you know, because it'll be about 15 minutes before we get on the ocean, so they'll have time to put the groceries and stuff up. So, you know, you just kind of get stuff together. So we put luggage in here, you know, on the floor. And let's see. So we're ready to go in here. Let's see. Where these right here, these leather. All right. I'm so organized. I like things to go where they belong. Got good use out of that this weekend. All right, come on, we ready to go. All right, Will, you ready? Ready. All right. So. So we'll go to the huh? The what?
Your glasses not going out. You got them.
For the shades?
Yeah.
All right, so what I gotta do, I gotta slide the boat out in between these two boats. So once you tell me I'm clear, We got one more line. Are we clear?
All good.
All right. Where Keith?
Down here.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this joystick and I'm gonna slide the boat over. So see how we just slid over to the side. So once you get it over, it's your throttle, it's your gas. So now you drive. So now you got your channel right here. So the light water, you don't want to go in there because that water is shallow. You can mess up your whole freaking engine. So you see that, how all those boats in line? You got to stay in between the starboard and the port, the red and the green, so your boat won't get too close to the side because you mess up your boat. So for some reason, one time I came through here and a cargo ship was coming. I got too close to the side and I knocked off a whole pod. And so what happened, the pod fall off and the boat closed, so your boat won't sink. So we had to get the pod out of the water and put it on the back of the boat. And we had to go all the way back to the United States at 8 miles per hour, which took 6 hours to get back from Bahamas to the United States. So we don't want to do that again. So sometimes, man, with being a captain and flying planes and captaining boats, it's a lot of experience. You learn a lot you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. So you got a lot of boats coming in because tomorrow is Memorial Day, but we're leaving going back to the United States. And we got some good weather. The ocean is not that bad. So we're gonna go around to the front of the island. Hey, did we get all the passports?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, I got mine. I just put yours on the bed.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So while we going down, you got
Right up, what was it? Just in the bag?
all the liquor.
Yeah.
You can put it in this cabinet up here, or that cabinet on the side wall at the bottom. On the side wall right here. See?
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Oh.
So he getting all the lines together. They putting the groceries up, getting the salon organized. Before I leave, I do want to dive in the ocean. Do it, do it, do it. Go, go, go. See that right there? You go over there in that light water. You might can do it on a jet ski. But you better not in no boat. So now you see that street right there? That's a street. That's called the channel. So you stay in that channel. And if you go over to the side, you're gonna hit rocks. And this is the most nervous part. This makes you more nervous than going on the ocean, going through this tight channel, right, Will?
Oh yeah.
Am I good?
You're good.
So Will, what you do instead of looking at that, you just go by sight.
Right. So when it's brown, you go around.
Okay. When it's brown, you go around. That's good shit. I just don't see how the big ass cargo ship come through here. I knocked my pod off right over there. And I saw it. Huh?
He just pushed you out of the way, huh?
Yeah, I just kind of drifted over there,
Yeah.
trying to get out of the way, and Man. I played it off. The guests didn't know. Only thing they know, we was on a plane on the way back. They were like, well, what happened to the bus? We got to check something. They had a good time. I didn't bother them with it. You know what I mean? That's kind of how I operate. Make sure the guests have a good time. Okay, so we in 12 feet. Good. Oh, I was like, what the fuck was that? You see those rocks over there? See those rocks?
It's only about 2 foot deep.
That's what I hit. It go from 12 feet to 2 feet quick. Stay away. Is it hot tide? I'm not gonna do it.
Low.
Hot?
It's low. Yeah. I don't see no big boats going fast through here.
Yeah. You get used to driving this boat, you forget that it's big.
Other boats coming up on the right side.
Yep, they can have it. Go ahead, my friend. We not playing. Oh, here comes the rock. Yeah, that's why I'm making love to them chicks on my 600-pound life feel like. Did the Humpty dance. Doing good. We get ready to drive back to the United States of America. Now we can go out and go north and go to Nassau. Nassau is only 4 hours from here. United States, 2 hours, 15 minutes. And we have a flat ocean, cruise about 25, 26 knots. How we looking? Oh, he on the phone. See how that jet ski went across that road? Jet ski can do that because they don't have no low propeller. They just suck, they just see. Now he can run up on a dry spot and it will throw them off. Really dangerous. Looks like he already hit somebody. Next time we're gonna rent a jet ski and just kind of hang out in this water right here. Because it's really cool. Well, look at that. That looks like a drain. I can fly through here, but if you go fast, it's gonna push the stern of your boat down. You know what I'm saying? So you want to keep your engines high, because all this water is shallow as shit.
Yeah, we were pulling that just in the spinning
Yeah, because it's gonna happen again.
I was kind of like, whoa.
I always roll down the window.
That's crazy right here.
Yeah.
The good news is that I went through that shit, so I don't make the same mistake.
Yeah, these boats can go around a lot easier than you can.
Yeah. And I want to come over here on the center console so bad so I can do all of that.
Yeah, I'm going to find us one
Man, listen,
for the weekend.
I got to do that, man.
Yeah.
And we'll make a fishing trip out of it.
I'll grab some of my fishing gear. We'll grab one of those.
Right.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
Yeah, wide open water like that, that shit is great. Let me know what you think, Will. It's tight right here. That says 3 feet.
Yeah, you got that set right a little bit. Yeah, you can't even pay. You can't even look at those charts on this thing.
Okay. It will throw you off
Oh
though.
yeah. Here you just Bahamas. You got to read the water. And so you can see the channel clearly. You see that line right there?
Yeah.
You go on this other side of that line, you're on the rocks.
Right.
You go to that brown right there, you're on the rocks.
Right.
They dynamited this channel back probably 100 years ago.
What you mean?
They made this channel deeper. They some dynamite down there and blew the coral apart and made this.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, this wasn't cut like this.
Now I can't see anything.
Now you just follow that through the center console.
Well, at least we got deeper water right here. Yeah. I wonder how does that thing read the depth?
Go back over. Got right on it.
So that's just a chart. So they come and they map these things. That's a chip. So this doesn't actually read. This has been mapped before, and then you download that
It looks
map.
so fast.
Right. And do we need ice or anything?
We're good to go.
All right. So he right here is big gang. Dr. Martin Luther King's hangout back when he used to come to Bimini to get away from everything. Memorial Day is nice and boring, but I'm in the mood for fireworks and real damn barbecue. I got to get back to Alabama. Sweet home Alabama. Roll Tide, roll.